Nifty may witness some profit booking in early action amidst negative Wall Street cues, but that being said, bulls will aim to regroup at intraday lows and attempt to end the day and week on an ultra-positive note. The four key positive catalysts. 1. Fed optimism prevails. The expected trajectory of U.S. rate cuts is likely to overshadow near-term trade concerns. 2. Global tailwinds. Strong closing cues from Wall Street continue to underpin risk appetite. 3. The IMF's upward revision of India's FY26 GDP growth forecast by 20 bps to 6.6% adds to the positive backdrop. 4. FIIs returning to buying desk. Long story short, it's likely to be up again for benchmark Nifty, with aggressive interweek targets placed at 25,670, high as on 30th June 2025, as bullish momentum looks poised to extend. Market trends. Global cues are negative. FIIs bought shares worth Rs. 997.29 crores in yesterday's trade. DIIs too bought shares worth Rs. 4,076.20 crores. Sentiment likely to be super bullish. Market breadth is likely to be positive. Technicals suggesting massive rebound. Fano data suggests Nifty's likely near-term trading range to be between 24,500 to 26,000 zone. India VIX was slightly up at 10.86. USD INR futures for October expiry corrected at 87.89. Nifty PCR 28 October expiry seen at 1.08. Bank Nifty PCR 28 October expiry seen at 1.16. Nifty outlook. Festive spirit on Dalal Street. Bullish euphoria is quite likely as early Diwali party quite as optimism to sweep and drive market euphoria. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty CMP 25,585. Support seen at 25,350 and then at 25,225 on closing basis. Immediate resistance seen at 25,670 mark. Range likely to be between 25,450 to 25,670 zone. Bias likely to be positive. Sensex CMP 83,468. Support seen at 82,500 mark on closing basis. Resistance seen at 84,200 and then at 85979. Range 82,800 to 84,100. Bias seems to be positive. Bank Nifty CMP 57423. Support seen at 56,800 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance seen at 57800. Range likely to be between 56,900 to 57,750. Bias appears to be positive. Stock market news. Nifty galloped in Thursday's trade, reclaiming 25,500 mark. All sectoral indices barring Nifty PSU Bank Index ended in lush green, this time led by robust buying in Nifty FMCG Index. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Shares of 197 Communications, the parent company of Paytm, hit a 52-week high of 1,305 rupees, gaining 2% on the BSE in Thursday's intraday trade amid heavy volumes. The stock price of the fintech company surpassed its previous high of 1,296 rupees and 70 paise touched on 4th September 2025. 2. Shares of Ola Electric Mobility, Ola Electric, India's largest electric vehicle company, were buzzing in trade on Thursday, 16th October 2025, with the stock rising up to 5%, hitting its upper price band of 55 rupees and 20 paise per share. 3. Nestle India reported a 17.4% year-on-year drop in net profit to 743.2 crore rupees in the July to September quarter, as the same quarter last year included an exceptional item. The company had posted a net profit of 899.5 crore rupees in the year-ago period. 4. Wipro reported a marginal rise in net profit for the July-September quarter, Q2, of 2025 to 26, FY26. Net profit for the quarter stood at 3,246 crore rupees, up 1.15% compared to 3,208.8 crore rupees in the same quarter last year. On a sequential basis, profit declined 2.5%. 5. Infosys raised the lower end of its annual revenue guidance and reported a 13.2% year-on-year YoY rise in second quarter net profit to 7,364 crore rupees, buoyed by a robust large deal pipeline and broad-based growth across verticals despite an uncertain macroeconomic backdrop. 6. Demindree's net profit rose 10.4% to 1,381.2 crore rupees for the second quarter, Q2 FY26. Revenue was up 10.2% to 10,394.3 crore rupees. Today, all eyes will be on Reliance Industries' Q2 earnings.